Our last example for today is another one where our a is not 1. In this case, our a equals 4. Again, we need to ask ourselves, can we divide everything by 4? 4 can be divided by 4. Negative 4 can be divided by 4. But negative 3 cannot be divided by 4. So the answer is no. So we're not going to try dividing everything by 4 in the beginning. But our problem is still going to start the same way. We are going to start by drawing our area model, just like before. And again, 4x squared is going to go in our top box. And negative 3 is going to go in our last box. And our two middle boxes are still going to add to our middle term, negative 4x. Okay. Next, we need to draw our diamond puzzle on the right side. And here's where things get a little bit different. On the top of our diamond puzzle, we're still going to say multiply 2, but instead of just negative 3, we need to say 4x squared times negative 3. So 4x squared times negative 3 which means that our two numbers need to multiply to negative 12x squared, or really negative 12. The bottom of our diamond puzzle stays the same. We still need to add to negative 4x. So, again, we're going to have our two factors. They multiply to negative 12, so we know one needs to be positive and one will need to be negative. So on the right, I'm going to list out the factors of 12. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Out of these options, if we had positive 2 and negative 6, that would add to negative 4. So this is going to be our option, 2 times 6. I'm going to put positive 2x and negative 6. And at the bottom right, I'm going to say 2x plus negative 6x equals negative 4x. Check. That looks good. So let's go back to our area model and write in 2x and negative 6x. All right, this part has always been a little tricky to do, even in class, so pay close attention here. We're going to look at our area model, And we're going to look at this top row here, 4x squared and 2x. We want to find the greatest common factor between 4x squared and 2x. So we know we could get an x from both of those. And then the greatest common factor between 2 and 4 is 2, because we can divide 4 by 2 and we can also divide 2 by 2. So the greatest common factor from our top row is 2x. Then we're going to look, I'm going to pick a different color. Let's use purple. We're going to look at our first column, 4x squared and negative 6x. Again, we want to find the greatest common factor, our GCF. We know we can get an x from both x squared and x. We can't divide 6 by 4, and we can't divide 4 by 6. So I think our greatest common factor is 2x. And let's double check. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. So that looks good. Our next step is we have to figure out what goes here and here. 2x times some number is positive 2x. 2x times positive 1 is 2x. And 2x times negative 3 would give us negative 6x. So let's double check. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times positive 1 is 2x. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x, and negative 3 times positive 1 is negative 3. Everything looks good. Our last step is to write it in parentheses. 2x plus 1 goes in the first parenthesis, and 2x minus 3 goes in the second parenthesis. That's all for today. Make sure to take the notes that you took and upload them as your assignment for today. Other than that, I hope that you have a great day. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.